How to get Midjourney promo codes. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you may follow up this step. So in order to do so, you may head over to a browser, your preferred browser, and then go ahead and type in Midjourney promo codes in the search bar. After doing so, what you can do is, here you will be finding different results. You may use any of the website available. Let's head over to dillspotr.com for now. And when you go ahead and tap on it, you will be taken to another page. Now from what you can do here is, here you will be finding different kind of promo codes. For example, this 40% off one, you may tap on the show promo code option, and after tapping on it, here you will be finding a promo code on your screen. You may tap on it to copy it, and once you copy it, you may use it on Midjourney. Or you can tap on this option called use at midjourney.com and head over to another page and directly use it. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method to get the Midjourney promo codes. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.